Hi guys, welcome to C++ video tutorial series. From this video tutorial onwards, for the next few video tutorials, we are going to discuss special operators in C++. Special operators are operators which are used in special cases. C++ provides set of special operators which are used in special cases. For example, sizeof operator, comma operator, addressof operator, pointer operator, double pointer operator, dot operator, arrow operator, typecasting operator, scope resolution operator, new operator, delete operator, setw operator, etc. etc. In this video, we are going to discuss sizeof operator. Sizeof operator is used to get size of a given operand in bytes. Sizeof operator is used to get size of a given operand in bytes, guys. The syntax is sizeof takes operand where operand can be of any data type name, variable name, constant name, or a value. The syntax is sizeof operator takes an operand as an input. An operand can be any data type name, variable name, constant name, or a value. Sizeof operator returns how many bytes of memory location or how much memory location is allocated for the given operand in bytes. It returns an integer number, you can see that. That number indicates how many bytes of memory location is allocated for the given operand. Let's have a demo and understand. I want to know how much memory is allocated for character type of variable. Okay, how much memory is allocated for character type of variable in my computer system. So I say here cout sizeof char. Then I say here end L. If I run, you can see that it is displaying 1. That means in my computer, for character type of variable, 1 bytes of memory location is allocated. Let's see that. Here I'm going to create a variable of type char called ch with a value of a. Next, I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. Instead of char data type name, I give the variable name ch. How much memory is allocated for this variable ch? It is of type char, definitely we should see 1. If I say build and run, you can see that we got the output 1, guys. That means for ch 1 bytes of memory is allocated. I say here cout and end L. Now I want to know how much memory is allocated for integer type of variable in my computer system. So I say here cout sizeof int. Let's say build and run. You can see it has displayed 4. That means if I create a variable of type integer, let's say I with a value of 0, and if I display here size of the variable I, it will display 4, guys. If I say build and run, you see we got 4, guys, right? That means 4 bytes of memory is allocated for integer variable. Remember that if you create a variable of type integer, for that variable 4 bytes of memory location is allocated, guys. I say here cout and then I say here end L. Now I want to know how much memory is allocated for float type of variable. So I say sizeof float. If I say build and run, you can see it has displayed 4. That means for integer and float 4 bytes of memory location is allocated. So if I say here float f is equal to 0.0f. Okay, and now I say here cout size of f variable. How much memory is allocated for f, guys? As it is of type float, definitely 4, right? If I say build and run, it displays 4, right? For integers and float, 4 bytes of memory location is allocated, guys. Remember that. Cout, I say here end L. Now I want to know how much memory is allocated for double type of variable, okay, or double type of value. I say here double d is equal to 0.0 semicolon. See, here I have not written f. That means it is by default treated as double value, guys. Okay. If I say here size of double and I say here size of d character, d variable, definitely we should see here 8 bytes actually. If I say build and run, you see we got 8, guys. So for double type of variable, 8 bytes of memory location is allocated, guys. I hope you guys are clearly understanding how sizeof operator is used to find size of a given operand. And the operand can be a data type name, a variable name, or the constant name, or it can be a value. I say here end L. Now we know that for integer variable, okay, for integer variable, 4 bytes of memory location is allocated, right? If I come here, I'm going to create one structure. Okay, I create a struct called date, and we know that date is going to have 3 parts: day, month, year. So int day, int month, and int year. And I'm going to create a variable of date. I say here date 1. Okay, now I want to know how much memory is allocated for date 1. Okay, so if I come here, size of date 1, it displays 12, guys. If I say build and run, you see we got 12. Why we got 12 here? Why we got 12? Because date 1 has 3 integer variables: day, month, year, 3 integer variables. We know that for integer variable, 4 bytes of memory is allocated. So 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. So date 1 is going to have 12 bytes of memory. Okay, 12 bytes of memory in the RAM, guys. So like this, we can use sizeof operator to find how much memory is allocated for a specific variable or a value in our computer system, guys. So it's a very useful and special operator. I hope you guys have clearly understood. I suggest you people to watch this video again and again. Try this program yourself. Check how much memory is allocated in your computer system for different types of variables or values. Okay. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about sizeof operators in C++ in depth, step by step with demo, guys. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.